Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm here with this box and it has 5 bench meal and plus free pot. So what is bench meal? Let's check it out. Okay, some kind of pasta is there, some kind of dish has been made over here, but I really don't know what is inside, and it's from Maggi. I like the pack, that's why I purchased it, frankly saying, because I really don't know what's inside. I'm confused whether there's pasta or some kind of mixture. So these were the 4 colors of the pot which were available. So let's start to open. So here is the pot, which is quite perfectly they have attached so it won't fall down. This is how it looks like. There's a glass lid and this non-stick pan. Actually I like this, that's why I purchased it. We always like the free gift more than the actual product. So let's check what's inside. So there's a 5 packets of something which is known as bechamel mix, which I've never cooked because I need to really read it and then go for it. So they're saying bake with pasta or use as a pour over sauce. Okay, it's something kind of a sauce and they've told the method of making it. Skimmed milk with some Maggi Bechamal mix. Okay, you need to mix it with some skimmed milk and stir and over medium heat for about 5 minutes until sauce is thick. Okay, it's a kind of sauce. You could use it on the pasta, some sort of salad also. There's some kind of salad made over here. Actually it's more written in Arabic over here, so a little bit confused, but I'm gonna definitely try it. But before trying, I want to show you how it actually looks like. Oh, it's a proper powder. This is how it looks like. Let me taste it like this. I think it's kind of maida mixed with some things, some kind of spices, I think. So I'm gonna try it with the pasta because this dish I have no clue how to make it. It's kind of I don't know. Okay, friends, bye bye, take care.